Welcome to
Samarkand.
Here we are, finally made it to the jewel of Samarkand, which is also known as the Registan. Are you liking it?
It's very nice, very beautiful.
It's the scale. You had to be here to feel it. Look how tiny the people are there under the building. We're just at the viewing platforms, already looking very impressive from the street. And such a good day. This is the weather. Blue sky, a little bit of cloud coming in. Tomorrow gonna be a clear day, and the day after as well. As the local said, Bugun havu. Sorry, let me try again. Bugun havu yashe. The weather is good. Just amazing, isn't it? Just amazing. Good afternoon from Samarkand. We just arrived at a hotel. The hotel is called Jahongir Premium. And just want to give you a quick room tour. Come with me. We got twin room, but they haven't got twin beds in this room, so we're sharing a big bed and have Netflix. It's actually quite a spacious room, and that's a bathroom. It's quite nice, clean. Shower, everything is spotless. Radiator, as the weather is very cold here in winter, especially at night. But now it's only 7 degrees, which is, amazing. Blue sky, sunny weather, not too hot. There you go, and that's the courtyard. These are the rooms. So we're at the Labi G restaurant having our shashlik for lunch, and this is the interior of the restaurant. It's got 2 levels. Nobody at the moment, but that's because it's after 3 p.m. And Erica's having a Bosch. You like it, Erica? I think I'll take it as a yes. Andrew had already finished his mastaba. I'm still going through my green cabbage soup. It's very nice. And sorry I forgot to film or get the French fries. We didn't order the bread because we had too much bread already today. And I'm gonna try the chicken tahu, but it's probably not called chicken tahu here. It's actually just, they call it chicken shashlik. This one. It's very tender to touch. It's really good. Texture is amazing. Very juicy, full of flavor, spices coated on the outside. I think it looks like paprika.
Horse meat. No, lamb's meat.
See that?
Lamb. This is like liquids. This is the chicken.
Going this way.
Oh, it tastes really well with the onion.
The rest of the meat. So actually we got the beef, we got the ground meat, we also got the lamb. What did you have, Andrew? Did you have the lamb?
Lamb.
Did you like it?
Very
I think it's very high quality.
chicken. And then the
It's not dry. It's so
kofta.
full of flavor.
It's kofta.
Okay.
Nice.
We're just walking through Samarkand city alleyways trying to locate the Amir Temur Mausoleum. Walking through here, you notice they have very elaborate doors, and they're often quite big, massive, wide, tall. It's definitely a very rustic feel to it here. It's a mishmash of old and new. And it's very quiet. The tiniest alley, only small cars can fit in here. Definitely not as modern as Tashkent. I presume Tashkent might have looked similar before they rebuilt the cities following the earthquakes, the huge earthquake in the 1960s. The whole city was rebuilt by people in countries from Soviet Union. Now we're walking away and turning into one of the more busy roads. You spotted some bread items. It's It's obviously shut because it's very late now. It's 4 p.m. Samarkand is famous for Samarkand bread. I've seen a version of that on YouTube and other channels, and so I'm gonna find out where I can get the best. I presume it'll be fairly easy to find. Our experience with Samsa was that almost every Samsa I had was fantastic. Every corner there were at least one Samsa store, and it was just so tasty. I think man found it. This is the Gur-e Amir Mausoleum, the mausoleum for the Amir Temur himself. The very famous thing about this mausoleum is the azure dome with really intricate interior all across the walls, the ceilings, and it's quite mesmerizing being inside. And definitely should pop in. You have to pay, I think it's 40,000 Uzbek money per person. It's well worth the money. This is the final resting place of the great conqueror Timur and his descendants. The architecture design here in this building had influenced famous buildings including the Taj Mahal.
Allah